Hi there, my name's Nicole Howard. I'm teaching Honors Accelerated Pre-Calculus and on-level college prep pre-calculus. I have been teaching at Cherokee for 15 years. I also do some tutoring before school and after school if you are interested. You can contact me through email, you can join our Remind, or through my Google Voice number, all of which is located on Canvas. Everything you need to know about our class is on Canvas. When you log in, whether you're a student or a parent, the first thing you should see here is this page right here. Sorry. The first part is my schedule, so you'll see which periods I have planning and which ones I have lunch. The next right here is our announcements. Things in our announcements would be an invitation to join our live Teams class. If a student is absent, they can always join in for a live virtual classroom during their scheduled period. Also, all of our assignments are under modules so that they are nice and organized by day and by what's covered under that unit or test or module. You can contact my email through Office 365. There's my Google Voice number. Our syllabus and the expectations are linked to this page, and other links that we use in class are also linked to this page. Students are definitely expected to take notes and do the practice. That's going to ensure success. Also, they need to come and ask questions. If they're just not sure, like I said before, after school, they can come and ask questions. I give time during class. They can also ask questions and get help. But again, if anything, just email me and let me know. The syllabus, again, is on Canvas along with the grades. This year we're doing grades by two categories, formative and summative. Formative includes our quizzes, our homeworks, our tasks, our online practice, and anything in that measure that is more like practice, homeworky. That goes under formative. Summative is really just our tests and our exams. It's really trying to get an assessment of an overall picture. Again, practice. I don't always take homework for a grade. I suggest practice. You'll see students that will do all of the homework I suggest, and some will do just a little bit of the homework I suggest. But practicing is very important. Asking questions when you don't understand is very important. And if the students are doing that, then that should be a good measure of success for them. As far as digital learning goes, I am very interactive with Canvas. Like I said, I post notes, I post videos, worked out solutions, all of the things that we do in class, I post on Canvas if a student is absent. In addition to that, I also assign online practice. I know how important that is at the college level, so I often, probably once a week, assign some online practice. I use quizzes, I use Khan Academy, and I also use Canvas. Also, if a student is absent for a quiz or a test, I do make a version for Canvas so that they can access and take that assessment from their home. Again, if you're not sure about any of this or you need help, please contact me. Other places, if you need any other information regarding school, please check the Cherokee High School website. Things like scholarships, dual enrollment, transcripts, you can contact the student services. If you need to make payments, there's a payment option on the website. You can also join the Cherokee High School Facebook page and their Twitter page. Thank you.